Hello and welcome. We would like to congratulate our student Dr. Nidhi Prasad for passing the DNB Theory Exam with amazing marks. Nidhi, we are so happy for you and we're delighted to have you here.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Can you give us a little bit of your background? What college are you from?
I am third year DNB Anesthesia Resident Main Hospital and Research Center, which is in Bhilai. It comes under Bhilai Steel Plant. It's a steel hospital. And I came to know about conceptual anesthesia around 2 years back, exactly when it was around same time it was launched through one of my secondary DNB seniors.
Okay.
She was the one who told us about this amazing platform. And since then, it has been helping us a lot. And we have been following it very dedicated towards it. Yeah.
Okay, so Nidhi, can you give us an idea of how you used the Conceptual Anesthesia app for your preparation?
Ma'am, my preparation, I did primarily it from conceptual and few topics from Morgan and Barash. And mainly I followed your videos, made notes out of that. And that's how I and yes, ma'am, main was revision, going through what all I've made. And yes, ma'am, short cases book which I ordered. And ma'am, the previous year questions, the
Book.
solved answers which you gave us, those two books, they have helped us a lot.
Okay. That is great. And other than me, because I think everyone is talking about me, who's your favorite teacher on the app?
Your sessions are very interactive.
Thank you. And is there anyone else that you prefer in the app?
Ma'am, ICU topics.
Okay.
Uh, I think almost all the topics are covered in the ICU section of conceptual anesthesia. And our
Mm.
paper four, I think I scored almost all the questions that came in paper four was conceptual, helped me a lot writing the answers. And sort of the Taneja sir's lectures are also very helpful. Gargi ma'am's.
Thank you. And what is your plan ahead for the DNB practicals? I know it's a far way away, but still.
I think they have given three tentative dates. Those are 3rd, 4th September, and 23rd September.
Yes.
So right now we are focusing on mainly on OSCE as it has been told to us by our consultants.
Hmm.
And I watched few OSCE sessions, your previous OSCE sessions, and looking forward to more such sessions in future.
Yes.
And
Anything that you would like to add for the case discussions? What will you be referring to?
ma'am, case discussions, I have watched around 2 to 3 videos till now. I think making notes of the videos, the interactive sessions which the students present, it is, I hope it helps us along with the notes which I made during the theory exams. I think going through those notes again and just brushing up the topics will help me with the OSCE as well.
And we have also given you all the book of long cases and short cases and drugs. So
Yes,
you can use those two to complete your entire preparation.
yeah, sure, ma'am.
All right. All the very best, Nidhi, and hope to take your interview again once you pass your DNB practical exams.
I'll
Very
be
quick.
honored to, and my fingers are already crossed, ma'am. I hope that I interact with you again.
Thank you so much, Nidhi, and all the best. For any help needed, you can message us at any time.
Sure, ma'am, sure. Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much, ma'am.